Let's convert 530 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Here's how you do that. So you need a conversion factor. Conversion factor we'll use is 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. That's our conversion factor. So we're going to multiply 530 millimeters of mercury times the conversion factor. So since we have millimeters of mercury here, we want that to cancel out. So we're going to put millimeters of mercury on the bottom. That'll cancel out. And then we have our 760 millimeters of mercury here, 1 atmosphere. That goes on the top. That's what we want to end up with. That's what we're trying to convert to. So we have millimeters of mercury on the top and the bottom. So we take 530 divided by 760 and we get 0.6973. Let's just leave it at 0.697. And atmospheres, that's the only unit that's left, and that's how we know we set this up correctly. It's Dr. B converting 530 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.